Hello guys, today we are again back with a new question, and today's question is MEX or Mixup. So what does this question says? We are given two integers a and b. A is the MEX and b is the XOR. So what does this MEX says? MEX means minimum excluded number. Suppose we are given an array 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. So here minimum excluded number is 4. Okay, and XOR means the XOR of all the numbers. So what we have to do is we have to return the minimum size of the array that holds these two conditions. MEX should be equals to a and XOR should be equals to b. So what we can do is, so MEX is equals to a, it means that the array should have at least numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to a minus 1. Okay, this should be at least in the array. And after that, if there is something, its XOR should be equals to b. So to find XOR from 0 to a minus 1, we can use this property. So from 0 to, suppose a we want to find, we can use this thing. Okay, we can replace a with a minus 1 to get the XOR from here to here. So we need to remember this thing. And after getting the XOR, what we can do is, suppose the XOR of 0 to a minus 1 is XOR, XOR. It represents the XOR of 0 to a minus 1. So XOR something should be equals to b. Okay, so what can't be something? Something can't be equals to a. It shouldn't be equals to a because a is the MEX. MEX means minimum excluded number. So something cannot be equals to a. So what can be? So suppose XOR is equals to b. Okay, so what will be the size of the minimum array? It will be a because we can take numbers from 0 to a minus 1. Okay, it only the XOR of this only satisfies b. So if XOR equals to b, then the size will be a. Suppose if XOR is not equals to b, XOR is not equals to b. Okay, and XOR b equals to a. Suppose this is the condition. Then what we can do? Let's first see that if this is not equals to a. Okay, then the something can be XOR b. Suppose XOR, we need something. This something can be XOR b. Okay, so this and this gets cancelled and the XOR of whole becomes b. This was the condition for when XOR b is not equals to a. Suppose XOR b is equals to a. Then what will be the case? Here we need XOR something should be equals to b. What we can do is we can add, instead of something, we can add two numbers. We can divide something into two numbers. What can be these two numbers? This can be XOR b, XOR t. Let any random number be t, which is not equals to a. And here we can assume it is t. Okay, so this and this will be get cancelled, and this will be get cancelled, and b is equals to b. So this also satisfied. So the size of array will be, this was size of a plus we added two numbers. So this will be a plus 2 when XOR b is not equals to a. And if XOR b when XOR b equals to a, then answer will be a plus 2. When XOR b is not equals to a, answer will be this and this as a number, then answer will be a plus 1. And if this is true, then answer will be a plus 2. And if XOR is equals to b, then answer will be a. So this was the solution of the question.